Telix Pharmaceuticals is now under investigation for securities fraud in what's becoming an international pharmaceutical corruption scandal. According to Pomeranz Law Firm reporting, this Australian pharmaceutical company with U.S. operations is being investigated for potential unlawful business practices that may have misled American investors. This shows how pharmaceutical securities fraud has gone global, with international companies exploiting American markets through misleading statements and false promises. Telix operates in radiopharmaceuticals, developing targeted cancer treatments that command premium pricing in oncology markets, where desperate patients will pay anything for hope. The investigation suggests the company may have made false statements about their drug development progress, regulatory approval timelines, or market opportunities to inflate their stock price. International pharmaceutical companies often exploit the complexity of cross-border regulations to hide their true financial condition or development setbacks from investors. The fact that a major U.S. law firm is investigating an Australian company shows how serious the potential fraud allegations are. Securities fraud cases against international pharmaceutical companies are particularly complex because they involve multiple regulatory jurisdictions and disclosure requirements. This investigation could expose how foreign pharmaceutical companies manipulate American investors through misleading clinical trial data or false regulatory claims. The radiopharmaceutical sector is especially vulnerable to fraud because the science is so complex that most investors can't evaluate the claims independently. Telix investigation represents a broader pattern of international pharmaceutical companies treating American investors as easy targets for securities fraud.
How many other foreign pharmaceutical companies are currently scamming American investors with false promises about breakthrough treatments?